here's the thing with youth, it doesn't matter what sport they're in. There's some commonalities if you're doing baseball, if you're doing soccer, if you're doing cheerleading, if you're doing gymnastics. There are some commonalities in youth that happen in all sports, which is great. In soccer, you're talking more, ankle injuries, a lot of hamstring. But what I'm meaning in youth is where those attach, where those muscles attach, hamstrings attach. So you see a lot of what we call apophysitis, and that's in the growth plate. So it's some widening in the growth plate in youth. And I see that in all sports. So I think in youth, as their body is growing, their growth plates are the weakest part of their bodies. And most people don't realize that, and that's where muscles attach. And that can be in the elbow in your, little leaguer. It could be in your hips as a soccer player, as a runner. And then, gymnast, we're talking about wrist. So we're talking about injuries to growth plates. And that is what I see a lot of in youth. Because as they're growing, they're trying to compete at this level and they don't realize that they're growing as well. So their body gets under a little bit of stress. So I think the most common injury, not just in soccer, but in most, is I see a lot of growth plate injuries.